Solve by completing the square 2x squared plus 5x minus 4 equals 0. So remember, to complete the square, we need a format of x squared plus bx. So here we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 4 equals 0. So to isolate our variable, we're going to divide 2 from both sides. Now we can write this as 2 over 2 x squared plus 5 over 2 x minus 4 over 2 equals 0 over 2. Now we have 2 over 2, which is 1. We have x squared plus 5 over 2x minus 4 over 2, which is 2, equals 0 over 2, which is 0. Now, to have our equation in this format, we're going to add 2 to both sides. So now we get x squared plus 5 over 2x equals 2. Now we're going to have x squared plus 5 over x squared plus 5 over 2 times x plus, remember, we're going to add b over 2 squared to both sides. So we're going to have 5 over 2 squared equals 2 plus 5 over 2 squared. So now we have x squared plus 5 over 2x plus 5 over 2 is just like 2 times 2, which is 5 over 4 squared, equals 2 plus 5 over 4 squared. So now we have x squared plus 5 over 2x plus 5 squared is 25, and 4 squared is 16, equals 2 plus 25 over 16. So here, notice we have a perfect square because we have 25 here, which is 5, and here we have 16, which is 4. So we can factor this out into x plus 5 over 4 squared equals 2 plus 25 over 16. So now to add 2 plus 25 over 16, we're going to multiply the denominator and the numerator by 16, which gives us 32 over 16 plus 25 over 16, which equals 57 over 16. So now our equation is x plus 4 squared equals 57 over 16. Now remember that if u squared equals d, then u equals the square root of d or negative square root of d. So using this formula, we're going to get x plus 5 over 4 equals the square root of 57 over 16 or negative 57 over 16. So now we're going to solve these two equations. And when we do that, we get x plus 5 over 4 equals the square root of 57 over 16. So we're going to subtract 5 over 4 from both sides. So x equals negative 5 over 4 plus the square root of 57 divided by the square root of 16. So we can simplify this as x equals the negative 5 over 4 plus the square root of 57 over the square root of 16, which is 4. So our answer could be x equals negative 5 plus 57 over 4. Now here, remember, it could also equal a negative sign. So x could also equal negative 5 minus 57 over 4. And that's our answer.